Welcome again. Today we will read about logical reasoning and try to understand what are key concepts and key points we have to read for examination purpose. To understand better further in question paper series, we will connect these points with syllabus. Now we will focus on logical reasoning, which is from unit 6. In logical reasoning, we get equal number of questions from each unit. This unit is far broader compared to others. In this unit, this point focusing on understanding of structure of arguments, argument forms, structure of categorical positions, mode and figure, formal and informal fallacy, use of language, connotation, denotation of terms, classical square of opposition. Further, in point 2, evaluating and distinguishing deductive and inductive reasoning. We will read deductive and inductive reasoning in detail along with other concepts of reasoning. Analogous in syllabus refer with further in 4 point Venn diagram. Simple multiple use for establishing validity of arguments. Simple and multiple use of establishing validity of arguments. How we will establish our arguments using Venn diagram. Indian logic. In Indian logic, means of logic. What is meaning of logic, as well as we will read means of knowledge. What is Indian logic and what are difference between other logics. We also read reasoning and logics in mathematics also. In unit 5 video 6 you can watch Pramanas. In Pramanas, we will read about Pratyaksha, which means perception, Anumana. This word derived from Sanskrit, I think, Anumana, or maybe from South Indian languages or Dravid family language. Anumana, inference, Upmana, comparison, Sabda, which means verbal testimony, Arthpathy, which means implication, and Anuplabdhi, which means non-apprehension. Uplabdhi plus an. Further, we will read about structure and kind of anumana, how inferences weaken structure and what type of inferences anumana have. Vyapati, invariable relation. Invariable relation. Vitva bhasha, Vitva bhasha's fallacy of inference. To solve question of examination, we had to get clear-cut understanding with clarification. Later series we will discuss in detail. You can subscribe on this channel. We read about UPSC, BPSC, UGC NET Paper 1 and Geography. If you are from English background, you can follow us, as well as हिंदी बैकग्राउंड के स्टूडेंट भी हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।